Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a sketchboard at home. First, select a sturdy, flat material like a piece of hardboard or plywood. A common size is 18 by 24 inches, offering ample space for various projects. Make sure your chosen material is smooth and free from imperfections. This initial step is crucial for creating a stable and reliable drawing surface for all your artistic endeavors. Next, we'll prepare the surface for drawing. Use fine grit sandpaper, around 220 grit, to gently smooth any rough edges or faces. Then, apply 2 to 3 thin, even coats of gesso or a suitable primer. This creates a consistent, non-absorbent surface. Remember to let each coat dry fully, which usually takes about 30 minutes, ensuring a perfect base for your artwork. Now, let's add a way to hold your paper securely. A large bulldog clip or a strong spring clip works perfectly. You can attach it to the top edge of your board using a robust adhesive, like epoxy, or small, flathead screws for extra durability. Ensure the clip is centered and firmly fixed. This simple addition will keep your paper from shifting, allowing you to focus entirely on your drawing. Finally, for enhanced stability, you might consider adding 4 small rubber feet to the corners on the back of your board. This prevents slipping on smooth surfaces. To maintain its flatness, always store your finished sketchboard horizontally. Your new, custom-made sketchboard is now ready for countless hours of creative expression, providing a stable and reliable platform for all your artistic projects.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.